Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the cast. This is your boy, Tony Porter, with Tony's Passive Income, your 9 to 5 kicker. Today, we are going to discuss something that came out. This is breaking news, and I'm telling y'all, man, this is big. We got to get to it. Robinhood fined $70 million. You heard me right. $70 million for harming millions via misleading information and outages. So what does that mean? All right, so basically what happened was we're gonna give it to you in a nutshell. Basically what happened was is Wednesday, the Wall Street's industry regulators fined Robinhood Financial LLC $70 million for chronic failings, including system breakdowns, offering false or misleading information. See, this is why I don't fool with Robinhood. Because Robinhood basically has been lying to people their entire time. How Robinhood gets you to join them is basically they offer you a free stock in the beginning. They get you to sign up. And depending on what you're trading out, this is just me. Depending on what you are trading or what you are working on or whatever it is that you feel like that Robinhood is the best, because a lot of people choose Robinhood because of the fact that they don't offer any commission fees. In the beginning, that's what it was. I don't know what it is now. I haven't fooled with Robinhood in years. But basically, again, the Financial Industry Regulator Authority, which is FINRA. I think I said it right. If I'm wrong, please, inbox me. Don't come for me, What they did was, man, they put a blemish on Robinhood's record. And like I was saying, Robinhood has been misleading for a long, long time. See, I first got into Robinhood when I was trading penny stocks. Okay. And you buy a penny stock. I would buy my penny stocks and let them build for a day. I wasn't day trading. I was swing trading. Okay. So I would buy, let them sit. And then when it would come time to take profit, Robinhood had an issue with wanting to divvy out profits. Okay. I've seen a lot of people complain about Robinhood, but some people swear by it. To each his own. Listen, I'm giving y'all what has come out today. So basically, like I said, FINRA has put the blemish on Robinhood. Following this year's meme stock crisis. So basically, what happened was, if I'm correct, I think it was Dogecoin. Dogecoin came out, and here's one of the main reasons why Robinhood got in trouble. Dogecoin comes out. And there's this one guy, no names to be said. God bless the dead. God rest this young man. So he purchased an amount of Dogecoin and he hit big. Or I take that back. It wasn't Dogecoin. It was GameStop. It was GameStop at AMC. He purchased an amount of GameStop stocks, hit big, and as soon as he went to cash, he's thinking, yo, B, I'm a millionaire, I'm good right now, I'm Gucci, I'm smooth, I'm about to do this, I'm about to do that, to go to his account, and Robinhood decides, no, we're not paying you out that money. My man's killed himself. Like I said, God bless the dead. So that brought down a red flag. A lot of people was not getting their bread. A lot of people was not being able to log into Robinhood after that. And so basically, and this article that come out today was in the Wall Street Journal. It was in a lot of major newspapers. It was on the news. This is big because the settlement itself for Robinhood, the agency includes $12.6 million in restitution to thousands of clients. So all of those people who was caught up and filed a suit and decided they was gonna go at Robinhood's neck, these folks getting their bread, getting their just due, man. Shout out to those cats. Salute. Get your flowers while you still can. Get your money. And then they have to, after they pay their clients, as well as a $57 million penalty. So, man, listen, FINRA went at Robinhood's neck for real. This punishment, and it states in the article, this punishment reflects the depth and seriousness of Robinhood's offenses, including FINRA's conclusion that Robinhood provided millions of its consumers with incorrect and misleading information. Jessica Harper, FINRA's head enforcement agent. That's what the statement come out as. So basically, man, Robinhood been lying to people, man. So, man, shout out to FINRA. I'm an investor. I'm a cryptocurrency guy. I'm getting into that deep, and I want people to understand what's going on. Robinhood been lying, man. So if here's the thing. Most people get into Robinhood because they want to make money quick. They don't want to spend money. But the old saying is, in order to make money, you have to spend a little bit of money. Okay? So be clear about that. Like I said, the suicide didn't happen this year. It happened last year. So it took a toll on this young man's mental health. And when you thinking you're one way and you bet the bank and somebody's toying with you, man, and this happens, I hope that Robinhood compensates that young man's family, because that was something tragic. And I'm telling you, man, Robinhood, y'all foul for that. Y'all real foul for that. So, like I said, it was $7 million as a result of the statements and the misleading of information that Robinhood had put out. And then when people started hitting, they wanted to claim that it wasn't true. So with that being said, man, listen, here's the thing. Robinhood got caught with their hand in the cookie jar. Tried to be slick. Okay? They tried to be slick. Now, because they tried to be slick, Robinhood now has to pay the price. Man, you did the crime. Now you got to pay the time. And I know that sounds backwards, but by doing what they did, it cost people, potentially a lot of people, the option or the chance of becoming millionaires in the beginning. And it has put a damper on a lot of people who want to use the stock market. It's already, people already feel like it's hard enough to get inside the stock market without brokerage companies like Robinhood that makes things bad. Okay, so we need to be clear with that, man. Listen, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Tastyworks, TradingView, all of these are reputable companies. Okay, do your research, man. Listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial guru. Myself, I'm just a person who dabbled in the stock market and figured some things out and started making a little bit of money. I lost a little bit of money, and now we're going to get a little bit more money back. Okay, but shout out to all of those brokerage companies that I have. Now, for those who are overseas, Interactive Brokers is one of those that work for those folk over there. There are a lot of people who tend to play guru. I'm not a guru. I just, like I said, invested time and effort, and then I invested a little bit of money to enhance my knowledge of things that I will be posting throughout this thing on my channel. So again, Robinhood, you got caught with your hand in the cookie jar. Now you got to pay the piper. Pay these people they bread. All of these folk. Listen to me, man. That number 12.6 million, that ain't nothing compared to that 7 that young person lost their life over. Okay? I think they should have hit them with a bigger fine. Again, that's one of the main reasons why I don't use Robinhood. Okay? That's why I don't use Robinhood. I'm not telling you not to use Robinhood. What I'm telling you is do your due diligence, do your research, and find out what works for you. Even when you're invested. When it comes to cryptocurrency, find out what works for you. When it comes to the stock market, find out what works for you. If it's long-term, short-term, day trading, penny stocks, find out what works for you. What works best for you, okay? So with that being said, man, we're going to get up out of here, man. Listen, do me a favor. This is going up YouTube. Check out the blog. It's going to post on the blog. I'll give you the blog address as soon as I get it. Click the subscribe button. Click the bell notification, because as I start to add my videos, I want everybody to be clear that the information is information that you can take and then go research and find out if it's credible. Because once you find out it's credible, you will understand why I'm giving this information. Because a lot of people in the world just don't understand that we need this information. So it's better for me to give it to you than not give it to you at all. You understand what I'm saying? All right, man. Once again, man, it's your man Tony Porter with Tony's Passive Income, your 9 to 5 kickers, man. We out. Peace.